North of 1604 in Canyon Springs is this perfect family home at 25711 Copperas Ln. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is 4,560 square feet. The home has a formal living room and a formal dining room, along with upgraded wood flooring. The kitchen is wide open, with updated stainless appliances and access to a separate downstairs living and dining area. The downstairs also hosts a guest room, along with a full-size bathroom. There's also a huge office downstairs. The moment you go upstairs, you're taken aback by the amount of open space there is up there. The master bedroom is humongous, and the master bathroom has a walk-in closet along with a large soaking tub. The secondary bedrooms in this home are all very spacious and carpeted. There's also a media room that can serve all kinds of purposes. The backyard is very secluded, with a nice patio to entertain guests.
For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.